Kumakatok po ako sa inyong mga puso. It may be too much to ask, but if anyone here would be willing to donate blood for my mom, it would mean so much and could help save her life, ani ni Sue Ramirez para sa kanyang mga fans at para sa kanyang ina na si Concepcion Garina. Dagdag pa niya, she will have surgery on Wednesday and we are in need of blood. Blood types B+, B, O, O+ are eligible to donate with no alcohol intake for at least 48 hours. Please message me if you are willing and able. If you can't donate blood, prayers for her healing and strength would be deeply appreciated. Thank you so much. Sa panayam ng aktres na sobrang nagpapasalamat siya sa maayos na pagpapalaki sa kanya ng ina. Sabi pa nito, I think all the positive things that people say about me is because of her. It's because of how she raised me, how she taught me, how she brought me to this world. Kaya sana may tumulong sa amin ni Mama. Maraming salamat sa inyong lahat.